Chiliano to start things off on a strong note. San Diego out and running. Curtis Dixon by himself. Curse scores. He had 2 transition goals against San Diego 2 weeks ago in this power play of the game for San Diego. Doby takes advantage. 11 seconds is all they need. Home. Tough one-on-one matchup for Graydon Bradley defending Hillier. And look what I found. Sam Firth gets it to go. It doesn't have to be a rocket if you put it in the right spot. Now Berg for Stotts. Settled offense with 10 to shoot. Oh, Mac O'Keefe! Call the 6th floor, the elevator's coming.
To how much these teams care. Again, playoff picture aside.
Wesley Berg playing 4 on 5. It's not a shorthanded goal in the books, but it was de facto on the floor. Doby scores! Second of the evening. 5.5 power plays per game this year. A lot of extra man opportunities, also lead the league in power play goals. Tack on another. Second of the night for Mac O'Keefe. It's a 4-0 Seals run.
It's a tough game of whack-a-mole deciding how you stop San Diego.
Doby scores! 23 seconds into the third. It's a 5-0 San Diego run on the Doby hat-trick goal.
The wind out of this Las Vegas sail.
44 goals this year for Dane Doby. 95 points as he has 5 of those more tonight. And the Seals starting to really take control. Now Danny Logan has a chance. Logan! Call him a sensation. The rookie's 4th goal in the last 7 games. To the 3rd for San Diego. They're on a 6-0 run back into the 2nd quarter. Stotts goes for the dunk and scores! Misconduct as the Seals try and really put this one away. Berg flying in. Berg! It took them almost the whole 5 minutes, but they had a power play goal, and it's an 8-0 run. Penalty. Now Berg with Stotts. It's a 2-on-none. Stotts by himself. As Stephen Woods, the PA announcer here at Pechanga Arena, announces through the stands. Merrill. Little crafty pass to John Wagner.
Oh,
and Frankie makes the save. You know it's not your night when you have 5 chances like that and none of them go.
A really good opportunity by Las Vegas, the 2-man game. The low to high misses, and Frank Chiliano. But it was a stick in his foot.
Oh my gosh.
Lethal look. And Patrick Shumay with the double team says, I'd rather have them get possession over.
Hanna with a crafty move on the near side. Hesitates, pulls Chiliano off the post in 2 for 3. First attempt at Patrick Shumay's career. Here he goes. Stings it. He's getting ready for the playoffs. That's when Patrick comes to life. San Diego as the Seals fight against cancer. John Phillips gets one back for Las Vegas and starts the 4th quarter on a positive note. Berg off a screen from Dixon. Now Doby, 5 on the shot clock. Stotts a wide open look. You can't give him time and room like that. It's 13-4.
It's been the veteran presence of guys like Dixon, Berg, Crowley, and rightfully so. Doby, of course, Stotts.
As we see one more. This time it's Govett. Talking to the young core, the rookie gets in on the act.